Meaning of hive.
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 Hive. Hive has several meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a structure housing a colony of bees or a community of insects working together. In computing, it is a data warehousing tool often used for data analysis. It can also refer to a busy place where people are working together. The word hive implies a sense of collaboration, productivity, and organization. Whether in nature or human society, the idea of a hive involves individuals coming together to achieve a greater goal through teamwork and cooperation.